guys can see that, but I got chills.
Oh my
These
gosh.
girls can sing.
Oh my gosh. And I love.
Welcome back, guys. It's Bctv
With your girls,
Blessing
and Cherish.
and today
we will be reacting to XG's new song, In the Rain. Ooh.
we're excited.
Yes, we're so excited. We just got finished watching their left-right video. If we haven't posted it yet, we will be posting it soon.
Okay, it was awesome.
So we're excited because we really like these girls.
Okay, they sound good.
All right. So let's go ahead and get into this video.
Okay.
I still go left, right in my head.
Okay. So good. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, a dark room.
That voice. Every time.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we
Oh my gosh. I'm speechless right now.
They ain't normal. This ain't regular smegular.
No. Oh my gosh.
The vocals. Hit that real quick, Blessing. She got a good voice. Go.
No, I can't do it
Go
like
ahead,
that.
Go ahead, show her what you got going.
No.
Y'all want her to do it?
Comment down below because I ain't
No,
doing it for free.
if y'all get this up to 100 likes, she going do the whole remix.
She's gonna do it with
song.
me too. A remix,
remake,
a cover, and she'll
They
sing
ain't
with
gonna.
me.
No, they don't. They're not gonna like my voice.
So
It's you.
it's gonna be both of us. Let us know if you want both of us to do it.
Then we need to make it a little harder. That means get this up to 200 likes.
And she's gonna be the main vocalist.
No, it's about you. We gonna sing the whole song.
We gotta practice the lyrics.
Y'all.
We don't even know what the rest of this song is.
Right.
But okay.
Okay.
This is good though. I
Yeah,
love it.
She gonna hit that first note though. She gonna say. Okay, so you know what to do. Get it up. Get it up if you want us to. I mean, we don't want. We can live without it.
Okay.
It's up to you. But okay.
Do you want to see us embarrass ourselves? That's the question. Okay, here we go.
Go back home because I gotta hear that again.
That was really
That was
good.
beautiful. It sounds so majestic. Let me stop. Y'all can't get no hints. Okay.
on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started, hiding it, starting it, baby it's so evident, boy why are you stuttering, bad mind you still running it, goodbye, we never been like that,
Okay, they're like my favorite girl group now.
For real. This is
Oh my goodness.
This is like my favorite girl group for sure. Oh my gosh. Are we gonna be able to remake that?
I don't know. We can top this.
Well, we
Whoa.
definitely gonna top that. That wasn't an option, but
We're not.
we ain't gonna get in the vicinity.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is awesome.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
I gotta
Okay.
hear more.
Okay. Go back a little bit. Go back.
never been like that, yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity, you got nobody to blame but your baby, night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, left me out in the cold with nobody to hold.
I got chills, guys.
I got chills. I don't know if you guys
guys can see that, but I got chills.
Oh my
These
gosh.
girls can sing.
Oh my gosh. And I love how they all wear like the suit vibe. Like that.
And the genre of music is like my favorite, her favorite.
yes.
Okay, it's our favorite.
Oh my
Whoa!
God.
Oh,
I'm in love. This is like amazing. I really love this group.
okay.
This is definitely my favorite girl group. We got to listen to all their music. So get ready.
and go to a concert soon. Okay, because
So
this
get
is like
ready.
awesome.
Oh my gosh. They exist? Are they real? Can't you?
Because you left me in the rain, left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side? So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain,
Whoa.
Rain, don't go away.
Sorry.
I almost fell off the chair.
Rain, don't go away.
Okay. I mean, I don't
What is
even
the
know what to
fandom
say.
called? Because we are it.
Okay, what is it? XG? What? What is it?
GG's. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Okay, the people who recommended this, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
I mean,
I'm going to tag you.
we weren't living until this happened. I mean, I don't know. Like, what was I listening to before?
Right. They done brought K-pop, J-pop to a whole nother level.
Oh my gosh, I want to be a part of this group. That's how much I love it. Wow.
Rain, don't go away. Let me stop giving them samples. Let me stop giving.
Okay.
Okay.
Rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop.
Footwork.
Every time I drop, each try. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. Sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about.
I like how they got me dancing in the rain like I'm going insane. Is that what they said?
Go back. What do they say?
I don't know. That was hilarious.
Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. Sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side?
Okay. Did you see that?
No.
That was so cute.
Their hook
I
is,
liked it.
Their hook
Oh.
is going to be in my head.
It got me hooked.
Forever.
It got me
Forever.
hooked. Okay.
You guys, we were thinking like at the end of the year we will pick like a song of the year, but of course we'll have you guys help us.
Okay, you guys
This
gotta
one
choose.
is in
Let
the
us
running.
know.
This one is in the running.
Okay.
We're gonna make a poll and everything, and y'all gonna help us choose the song of the year.
Okay.
So at the end of 2025, we gonna pick BCTV's song of the year.
Okay, help us. Help us make this.
We'll do genres too. So
Yeah, different genres. So
J-pop,
everyone have
K-pop, girl
a
group,
fair chance, you know.
guy groups. Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm so excited.
Okay.
Now look at them when they do.
Okay. Sorry.
Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side? So let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to.
Okay, hold that note forever then.
Okay.
Go ahead and hold that note forever. Hold on. I'm about about to count it. Let's count it. How long did she hold that darn note?
I
Let
don't
it
know.
rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still standing here right there. You miss me in the rain, 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 in the rain. Drop tight, non-stop, baby, let me soak and step, wash you out in the rain. Drop tight, non-stop, baby, let me soak and step, wash you out in the rain. In the rain, still standing here, just
Woo! She said, can't you see I'm outside? I'm outside. I'm outside. Still standing here.
Let her in. What
You must
doing?
have lost your mind if you got hurt in the rain.
Okay.
Get
Oh,
yourself
yeah.
together.
For real.
Let me hear a bird like that singing outside my house. Because they sound like beautiful birds. So, I'm letting her in. Like, what you want for dinner, girl? Let's talk about it. What do you do?
What did he do to you?
We ride at 9.
on my side. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
I didn't want this song to end.
Okay, yeah, because they could have made this song this last forever.
Bye.
So, XG's our favorite girl group. Can't wait to get to know more about them. So, if you already know about them, share it. Tell us.
Please.
Oh,
Guys.
they don't even sound real. It gives like an R&B girl vibe. We love that. We love that.
Guys, they're the best. I'm sad because I didn't want it to end.
I want to listen to it again.
Me too.
I love, like, not only are they beautiful girls, they sound beautiful, the rapper is amazing, their lyrics make sense. So they ain't just saying random words together and then mixing different languages, and it's like, you know, but they also make their videos visually appealing, and their dancing amazing. We a fan.
Okay.
What else y'all like by them? We like everything. We haven't heard everything, but I already know I like it.
Okay. So good. Okay, playlist time.
Playlist! Oh my gosh. Breakup playlist.
Yeah.
It has
definitely.
to go on a breakup playlist.
Okay. It sounds good. You're like,
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Oh, no samples.
that was good. Yeah, I'm going to agree.
Breakup playlist.
Breakup playlist. And then when you're in the rain, no one can see you cry. They don't know if it's raindrops or tears.
It's definitely raindrops. Always raindrops. We ain't
okay.
crying.
I'm not crying. I'm strong.
We never cry.
We strong. But good. It's good, guys. What playlist would you put this song on? And if you already have a playlist or have this song, what do you got it on? Let us know.
Is it rainy days playlist? Let us know. What is the playlist?
Yes.
Is it just XG playlist because they just come out with hits?
Okay.
And you can just really just make a playlist just for them.
And just have it on a loop. Okay.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already,
Like,
comment,
and subscribe.
and we will see you next time.
Bye.